Who's here? Betty, you hear someone? Whoa, I didn't know I could do that with my video. What are you doing, Brady? You waiting for Mama? Who's here? I hear someone at the door. Who's here? Who's here? My silly boy. Who do you see? He has his eye on something. He has his eye on something outside. He wants to see who it is. Where's the boy? What are you doing? Come here. Where's Otis? Where's Otis? Is he at the fence? Who's here? Come on, baby. Let's find out who's here. Who's here? No one. I don't see no cars. Oh, crying out loud, baby. Who do you see? Who do you see? You're a silly old dog, aren't you, Brady? You always think someone's here when they're not. Do you hear Queequeg? Do you hear Queequeg? Where's Queequeg? Oh, here she comes. Where's Queequeg? Where's Queequeg? You hear someone? Is someone up the stairs? Let's go check. Let's go check who's here. Do you hear Queequeg? Do you hear Queequeg? Here comes Queequeg coming down the stairs. Do you hear Queequeg? Do you hear Queequeg? You silly old dog. Oh, you hear her. Going to see Queequeg?
Oh, your mother home yet? No.
But yeah, she's on her way home. I'm just recording Brady.
Are you going to Strike tonight?
No, the movies.
Where you going? Who you going to movie with?
Alex.
Oh, what movie?
Beyond the Lights.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, excuse me.
Mom, babe, Mommy's home. Mommy's home.
What voice you have?
Sorry. Baby boy, Mommy's home. No, Mommy's home.